What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. What if you want to wirelessly charge multiple things? Well, that's why I picked up this, and you might be able to see here that I'm wearing an Apple Watch right now, and that's why I picked this up. I was just really intrigued by it. It's a 2-in-1 dual coil wireless charging station, and it just seemed like it actually might free up some space on my nightstand. So I've got a wireless charging stand for my phone, which is very much like this and kind of takes up this much footprint. But then I have another charging stand for my Apple Watch, which would fit right in here. So first of all, I just wanted to unbox this. It's got a cable on it with a micro USB right there, pretty long, probably about a meter of length there. We have a nice big rubberized foot on it, so it shouldn't slide around when you put it down. It's got this soft touch, kind of matte finish, black plastic. And right here is where you're gonna have one wireless coil, and then you've got a little lip in here, so when you put your phone, this is a 6 Plus with a leather case on it, so it's a little bit thicker, no problem fitting in there. It looks like we've got an indicator light right there, and then up on the top here is where you would put your watch. And what I really kind of dig about this is that the watch, because of the band, that the bands are angled down, you don't want a lot on the sides of the watches. You want kind of a nice angled bevel there. So if I put the Apple Watch charger in there, it should hold it in here without the band kind of propping it up. That's what happens on a lot of the flat chargers. So I really like that. Now I will tell you, this flips up here and you can see, oh, interesting. So there's another USB right in there. So I could plug in the Apple Watch cable right there, run it through here, drop it in there, and then plug it in, so I don't have to run a separate cable. So both chargers will be powered off of this. So let's get everything set up and see if it works. All right, so I got this thing set up and it absolutely works. I want to give you a couple tips though. As I was putting in the Apple charging receiver here, you can see there I put on a little piece of tape up at the top and kind of pushed it in. And that's because it kind of wants to lean forward to stay in line with the cord. And the problem with that is if it leans forward too much, when you put your Apple Watch on and this Apple Watch is leaning forward, it's going to block your phone from laying flat against its own wireless charger. So when it is in position, now the phone can rest on that charger block and charge as well. And you can see we've got both of them charging right there. So it's a great way to remove a device like this and another device like this for charging your Apple Watch, and combining them so that you don't have two devices here. You just have one device, free up some mantle space, nightstand space. Well, mantle space if you put it on your mantle too and use it as like a showpiece. Pretty cool. I definitely dig it. This is something that's going to be a nice addition to my nightstand. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.